What's good, y'all? I'm Josh High Tech, and in this video, I'm talking about the top 5 technologies I'm learning in 2023. I got this idea from Ben, who's a tech YouTuber as well, and I just wanted to do this video so I can look back after this year and see how far I've gotten with these technologies. So, first technology that I'm learning is C++. C++ is a programming language that I want to learn because I want to get into game development. So that's going to include as well Unreal Engine. So those are the technologies I'm learning first in regards to the highest priority, which I feel like I want to get into to just improve my skills. I know I might not get far. I may only create a little small little game this year, but that's definitely on my list as to the technologies I want to learn this year. The second technology that I want to learn in 2023 is Vue.js. Vue.js is a lightweight framework and is an easy to learn syntax. That's one of the reasons why I want to get into Vue.js, but also I've been watching plenty of videos on Vue.js and not really just implementing projects with it. And this year I want to create some more complex projects with Vue.js and be able to make really good web applications with regards to Vue.js. I really feel like that's something I want to add. I already have React. I want to add Vue.js to that mix and just be an all-around better front-end developer before this year is said and done. All right, so now the third technology that I want to learn in 2023 is Tailwind CSS. Yes, I'm falling for the hype. I'm falling for it just slightly. So I gotta get into Tailwind just to get a better knowledge of it. I enjoy Sass a lot, so that's what I use primarily. However, I know Tailwind is something that can pretty much improve the way that I'm doing my CSS, and I feel like I need to just learn it just because so many people enjoy it. So I'm just like, why not? You know, why not get into it? I'm just learning what it's like this year and just have both like a dual threat, just like React and Vue. I'm gonna have Tailwind and CS and Sass. So, you know, I'll have those two, and I just feel like that'll just be a good technology to learn in 2023. Yes, I fell for it. So now the fourth technology that I want to learn in 2023 is WebAssembly. WebAssembly is a low-level binary information format, and I just think it will just go smoothly with regards to my C++. Once I learn that, I feel like it can help me in regards to understanding how to execute it within the web browser. So I'm not too familiar about everything in detail about WebAssembly, which is why I have it on my list. But I know from watching conference videos on YouTube about the state of, you know, developers, I feel like WebAssembly is especially important for me to understand this year. So it's on my list. Okay, so now the last technology that I want to learn in 2023 is Flutter. Flutter is an open source framework developed by Google. And my friend Timecodes, man, he always talks about Flutter. And I don't know, man, this just gotta be the year where I actually learn it. I gotta learn it this year. And I've been to meetups with regards to Flutter in Atlanta. I've learned good enough about it, like from a beginner's mindset, but I want to kind of dive much deeper into learning Flutter and have that skill of mobile development in my arsenal. So Flutter is on my list to learn in 2023, and that's pretty much it for me. If you all are learning technologies in 2023, put them in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next video. Espero que tengas un buen día. Ciao.